This is video 4 in the HEX Innovate series on basic motorcycle maintenance. It gives a brief overview of how to replace the motorcycle's spark plugs.
The procedures shown in this video may not apply to all motorcycles. Always follow the motorcycle manufacturer's recommendations for routine maintenance and repair. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, let a qualified technician with experience in the relevant vehicle do them for you.
In a petrol engine, the spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture in each cylinder, allowing the engine to produce power. They also help conduct specific amounts of heat away from the combustion chambers, allowing it to be dissipated by the cylinder head. This allows the best possible balance between reliable starting and running and the lowest practical spark plug electrode wear. To replace the spark plugs, find out which spark plugs will physically fit the motorcycle. There are several different plug body sizes and lengths. Only one type will safely fit your motorcycle. Be aware that some motorcycles may use more than one spark plug per cylinder, and that spark plugs used on the same cylinder may be of different types. Find out which plug subtypes are suitable. Even spark plugs that look the same from the outside can be different in ways that may harm your motorcycle. If in doubt, replace your spark plugs only with ones whose code is identical to the plug originally recommended by the manufacturer. If the spark plugs have conventional electrodes, always make sure the spark plug gap is the same as the manufacturer's recommendation. If the spark plugs have electrodes coated with rare earth metals, for example platinum or iridium, do not check or adjust the spark plug gap, as the coating will be damaged. These plugs are always shipped with a preset electrode gap. Remove the spark plug lead or the direct fire ignition coil. On BMWs, only remove direct fire coils using the correct special tool. Use only the correct sized spark plug wrench. Remove each plug by carefully rotating the wrench counterclockwise. Carefully inspect the electrode end of every used spark plug. If the insulator is white or off-white, and there is a small amount of deposit that can easily be chipped away, the engine is running normally and in good condition. If the insulator is discolored or there are no deposits, or both, the engine is running overly lean or overly hot, or both. You will need to check the engine's fuel-air mixture quality and ignition timing. If the electrode end is covered in soot or heavy carbon deposits, the engine is either running overly rich or is starting to burn excessive amounts of oil, or both. You will need to check the condition of the motorcycle's air filter, the engine's fuel-air mixture quality, and also keep a careful eye on how much engine oil the motorcycle is consuming. If the electrode end is covered in black fluid, possibly accompanied by hard starting, there are two possibilities. What does the electrode end smell like? If it smells like petrol, it is likely that the engine is being flooded. Check the position of the choke if the motorcycle has one. If the motorcycle has carburetors equipped with accelerator pumps, do not twist the throttle before starting the engine. If the motorcycle has fuel injection, check the operation of the injection system and whether any fault codes are present. If the electrode end does not smell like petrol, there could be trouble involving the cylinder bore, piston and piston rings, the valve stems and valve guides may be worn, or the valve stem seals may be leaking. If the engine is healthy, smear a small amount of anti-seize on the spark plug threads. Carefully insert the spark plugs into their cavities and tighten until finger tight. Tighten the plugs only according to the instructions in the motorcycle's service manual or on the spark plug's packaging. Reinsert the spark plug lead or direct fire ignition coil.
The HEX GS911 has been independently rated as the best diagnostics and configuration tool for BMW, allowing you to reset service reminders, scan and clear fault codes, read real-time values, retrofit BMW accessories, do important maintenance procedures, and much more. See hexgs911.com for more information.